Eastern Union County, Illinois, Northern Pulaski County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, North Central Alexander County, Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Donggala, or 13 miles south of Anna, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vienna, Goreville, Donggala, Karnak, Lake of Egypt area, Olin, Cypress, New Burnside, New Grand Chain, Buncombe, Belknap, Mill Creek, and Simpson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 19. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 13 and 43. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Johnson, Pulaski, and Union. Severe thunderstorm watch number 1.